Okay, one thing to keep in mind, you know, when you're in like this particular settings menu, remember you got these little arrow keys, so there's other options here that I'm not aware of, and you can't resize the window. And of course I got to this by, you know, right clicking on this grid here, so I'm hitting settings. Yeah, it looks like stretch doesn't really work with 3D objects, so, you know, I just moves the whole thing. Shit. You know what's interesting is a lot of these commands that are on here are just kind of, in many ways, duplicates of what you do in 2D. I mean, they're really just here for people that work in a single viewport only, uh, by and large. Um, a 3D align might be better, but I think it's the same. Yeah, but certainly 3D rotate, I mean, you know, that works exactly the same as just using the regular rotate command. So, you know, like I said, if I wanted to rotate an object, you know, works just fine. Um, you know, and they got a 3D mirror command, but again, why not just use the regular mirror command? Um, works fine. So, oh. But I can't figure out any way so far of stretching this frickin' object. Let me try this. No, see, I can't select points or nothing, so. Oh, well, I can't, you know, I can do it like this. I just don't know if I can select multiple points. You know, it won't let me do it. See, no, I can't actually select, because this is obviously based on the geometry I used to create this revolved solid. So, I don't know. You know, this thing here is kind of weird. It's like some kind of 3D deform or something. It's weird. Okay, I just had this fucking thing, I accidentally shut down on me, and then the fucking views got stuck where I couldn't zoom out, and it's a problem that a lot of people have, and then all of a sudden it just went away for some reason. I'm not sure what the fuck's going on. Hit regen all, I know that, you know. But at any rate,